When people talk about the best Linux distribution for everyday use, two names often appear at the top of the list: Zorin OS and Linux Mint. Both have built a reputation for being friendly, stable, and easy to recommend to people who are moving away from Windows or macOS. In 2026, the competition between Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 has become even more interesting because both systems are more polished than ever before. The question is no longer whether Linux is ready for daily use, but which desktop experience fits your needs better. Zorin OS 18 represents a modern vision of what a Linux desktop should feel like. It focuses heavily on design, simplicity, and making the transition from other operating systems as smooth as possible. From the moment you install it, Zorin OS feels familiar, especially for users coming from Windows, because the interface layout, application launcher, and overall workflow are designed to reduce the learning curve. Linux Mint 22.2 takes a different approach by focusing on reliability, control, and a traditional desktop experience. Mint has spent years building a reputation as one of the most dependable Linux distributions available. Instead of chasing flashy changes, the project focuses on providing a stable system that works well for everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, media consumption, programming, and general productivity. One of the biggest differences between Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 is the desktop experience. Zorin OS uses a highly customized version of GNOME that has been carefully adjusted to feel familiar and modern. The developers have created a clean interface with smooth animations, excellent visual consistency, and a strong focus on user experience. It feels like a system designed for people who care about how their computer looks and feels. Linux Mint uses the Cinnamon desktop environment, which is one of the most popular Linux desktop environments in the world. Cinnamon provides a classic layout with a taskbar, start menu, and system tray that many Windows users immediately understand. It may not have the same visual impact as Zorin OS, but it offers something extremely valuable: familiarity, customization, and efficiency. Performance is another important factor when choosing a daily driver. Zorin OS 18 is optimized to provide a smooth experience on modern hardware with responsive animations and a polished interface. On newer laptops and desktops with powerful processors and enough memory, Zorin OS feels fast and premium. It creates the impression of using a carefully designed commercial operating system. Linux Mint 22.2 continues to be one of the strongest choices for users who want excellent performance without unnecessary complexity. Cinnamon is lightweight compared to many modern desktop environments, making Mint a great choice for older computers or systems with limited resources. It can deliver a fast and comfortable experience even on hardware that struggles with heavier operating systems. Software availability is another area where both distributions perform extremely well. Since both are based on Ubuntu, they benefit from a massive software ecosystem, extensive documentation, and compatibility with thousands of applications. Users can easily install popular programs for productivity, development, entertainment, and creative work without worrying about limited choices. When it comes to software management, Linux Mint has a slight advantage because of its long history and mature tools. The Mint Software Manager is simple for beginners while still providing access to advanced options. Zorin OS also provides an excellent software experience, combining traditional repositories with modern application formats like Flatpak, making it easy to discover and install new applications. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically, and both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 benefit from this progress. With technologies like Steam Play and Proton, many Windows games now run surprisingly well on Linux. Zorin OS may appeal more to gamers who want a modern-looking system with minimal setup, while Mint attracts users who prefer a stable environment that they can customize over time. Hardware support is another important consideration. Linux Mint has years of experience supporting a wide range of computers, including older laptops, desktops, and various hardware configurations. Its large community means that solutions to common problems are usually easy to find. Zorin OS also offers strong hardware compatibility and focuses heavily on making installation and setup simple for new users. Security and updates are areas where both distributions shine. Linux systems generally provide strong security features, and both Zorin OS and Linux Mint benefit from the security foundation of Ubuntu. They provide regular updates, reliable package management, and tools that help users keep their systems protected without requiring advanced technical knowledge. The choice between these two distributions often comes down to personal preference. Zorin OS 18 feels like a modern alternative to Windows and macOS, with a strong focus on appearance and user-friendly design. It is ideal for someone who wants Linux to feel exciting, fresh, and different from traditional desktop environments. Linux Mint 22.2 feels like a dependable digital workspace. It does not try to completely reinvent the desktop experience, but instead improves a familiar formula that millions of users already trust. For people who want a computer that simply works every day, Mint remains one of the safest recommendations in the Linux world. Another factor is customization. Linux Mint gives users enormous freedom to change themes, layouts, extensions, and system behavior. Advanced users who enjoy adjusting every detail will appreciate the flexibility that Cinnamon provides. Zorin OS offers customization as well, but it focuses more on providing a carefully designed experience that works beautifully from the beginning. For beginners, both distributions are excellent choices. Zorin OS may have a small advantage because of its visual design and its ability to imitate familiar operating systems. A new Linux user can install Zorin OS and immediately understand where everything is located. Linux Mint, however, has one of the strongest beginner communities, making support and troubleshooting easier than ever. So, which one is the best Linux daily driver in 2026? The answer depends on what you value most. If you want a beautiful, modern, and beginner-friendly Linux experience that feels like a premium operating system, Zorin OS 18 is an outstanding choice. It proves that Linux can compete not only in functionality, but also in design and user experience. If your priority is stability, performance, and a proven desktop environment, Linux Mint 22.2 remains incredibly difficult to beat. It represents years of refinement and offers a balanced experience that works for students, professionals, developers, and everyday users. It is the kind of operating system that quietly gets the job done without demanding attention. Ultimately, both Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 show how far Linux desktops have evolved. The days when Linux was considered only for advanced computer users are long gone. Today, these distributions offer polished interfaces, powerful software, excellent security, and the freedom that makes Linux special. Choosing between Zorin OS 18 and Linux Mint 22.2 is not about finding a winner and a loser. It is about finding the system that matches your workflow and personality. One gives you a stylish and modern desktop experience, while the other gives you a reliable and familiar computing environment. Either way, 2026 is proving to be one of the best times ever to become a Linux desktop user.